Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got something really special to share with you guys in the form of, I would say an unboxing is more of an unzipping of a pouch because I've already been into this, and I know I've been saying that a lot lately. There's so much crazy stuff that is coming in. You know, I wanted to try and control this and present it to you guys in a way that was entertaining. This was once again sent by my good friend at GoodNowJeff on Instagram. Please give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys specifically this type of content. It's also because of my generous patrons. Thank you so much for supporting me during this time. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some of these cool stickers, there's of course a link down in the description. The support would mean the world to me. So this is my first time, and I've already handled it. A lot of this stuff came in on a Saturday, and it wasn't stuff that I wanted to leave just sitting around. I wanted to understand exactly what I was looking at, make sure everything was, of course, okay. It's very important to me that stuff arrives in good shape, and that you know, the people who are sending it know that their knives are safe. So, but yeah, I've already looked at it, but I'm excited to show it to you guys. This is my first time handling an MSC or Mixed Strider Custom. It's a excuse me, a full custom knife, very prestigious variant of a custom Strider. Blah blah blah. Stop talking. Just open it. And it's also one of the craziest ones I've ever seen. This is a this is a full custom MSC in apparently what they call the Groot finish. It's also a nightmare variant, meaning the blade has this ridiculously wicked compound grind. It's also two-tone and finished in, I don't know what we even call this. It looks like an ancient, I mean, the Groot finish, the idea here is that it comes, I mean, it looks like Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy, right? I mean, this is exactly what his skin looks like. This is titanium. All the way around the pocket clip. Look, even on the inside. We can see here, if I can get my... Is the flashlight really gone again? Well, oh no, it's right here. The inside of the cutout there where you interact with it to unlock it has the finish on it. Oh my gosh, guys, I mean, I'm melting right now having handled this and having looked at it all weekend and just enjoyed it, just being in its presence, I guess. And I'm still melting over it. I mean, this is honestly a dream of mine. I messaged Jeff and I said, this has got to be like the craziest thing I've ever handled. I've come to very much love Strider knives, and you know, handling a full custom was something I didn't really ever think that I was gonna have an opportunity to do, but thanks to Jeff, I have that opportunity. Yes, this is a very expensive knife. Very expensive. It's my understanding he picked this up from eBoss Haas, which makes sense. A lot of those really crazy custom Striders that seem to just be unicorn variants, they come from eBoss Haas. So if you're a serious collector, you're going after stuff like this, and you haven't heard of eBoss Haas, he has no idea who I am. But yeah, I mean, I just go there to look at eye candy, because I can't afford any of this. I depend on people like Jeff to send me stuff like this. And oh my gosh, guys, this is just wild. Look at that blade. And the hardware. I am such a big fan of how they do the hardware. This finish is just ridiculous. I'm going to have to get some insane details for you guys on how they apply this and what they actually call it. But yeah, this is wonderful. For anybody who, you know, is wondering, you know, how does it feel? How does the, you know, fit and finish feel? Yeah, it's perfection. It's running on phosphor bronze. It feels like a phosphor bronze action, but it absolutely is smooth, locks up solid, feels absolutely wonderful in hand. Strider's ergos, that's what makes me love them. This is wicked, guys. Absolutely wicked. Jeff, thank you so much for just allowing me to have this type of content on this channel. I'm so excited. Rest assured, this knife will get a full... It'll get a full overview and discussion. You guys know that I don't apply my standard review process to a full custom knife, and that's because despite how, you know, many, honestly, there are some really compelling utilitarian features of this knife, but the idea of utility kind of goes out the window considering this knife costs over $2,000. So yeah, you'll be getting a full, Metal Complex style custom knife overview, right? But that'll be the limitation of it there. But I'm really, really excited to talk about this knife. I hope you guys found this entertaining. If for any reason, right? Even just something to look at and watch. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.